third graders. Today we're going to be learning learning how to solve multi-step problems using two different problem structures, solving with set models. So before we begin, let's review two problem structures. Let's take a look at our problem and first read it. It says, Samantha has 12 books. Danny has 8 more books than Samantha. If Danny gives away 2 of her books, how many does Danny have now? So first, looking at the first part of the problem, it says Samantha has 12 books and Danny has 8 more books. Well, the first problem we need to ask is there a change occurring? Well, the answer is no, because can I restart?
Just start from where you are.
Okay. Is there a change occurring? No. So the first part of the problem is either a compare or part-part whole. It's not a part-part whole because there's no whole that is being looked at. And to verify, it is a compare because there are 2 different people with 2 different amounts of books that are being compared. So let's take a look at our set model now and let's fill it out. Looking at Samantha's amount of books, she has 12 books and Danny has 8 more. So we're going to put Samantha's 12 books in the smaller set. And we do not know the difference, or the difference is 8 because Danny has 8 more books, though we do not know Danny's amount yet. So the larger set is a question mark. Looking at this, the tool we're going to use is addition because we are trying to find Danny's books and she has 8 more than Samantha. So if Samantha has 12 books, we're going to grab 1 long, which represents 10 units. And then we're going to get 2 units, and that represents 12. So we have 10 in the long and then 2 ones, which is 12. And then Danny has 8 more books, so we're now going to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we were to add all of these together, we could take the 8 that we just counted out and then add the 2, which would be 9, and 10, and then we also have the long. So with the 10 units, we can actually regroup and add another long, which now represents 20 units. So the amount of books that Danny has is 20. So (20) equals 12 plus 8. And that is the compare problem. And then if we look at the next part of our word problem, it says if Danny gives away 2 of her books, how many does Danny have now? So that would be, we're going to look and ask the question again, is there a change occurring? Well, yes, there is a change occurring because we're taking away 2 books. So I'm now going to grab the set model for separate. And we still have these 20 because that's the amount that Danny has. So our start would be 20. Our change is 2. And so if we look at these 2 longs, we have 20. But we don't have any ones to take away from. So we actually need to take away one of the longs and regroup into units. I'm going to take that away and I'm going to count out 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can see that I have 10 ones in the ones place, and then 10 ones in the tens place as well. And this still equals 20. So we're going to take away 2 ones in the ones place, which now represents 18. Because we can count these up, and it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the ones, and 10 in the tens. So the result is 18. The tool we just used is what? It is addition, or it is subtraction. So now you've learned how to solve a multi-step problem using a compare and separate structure with set